Mane of a Goddess Madeline Hair Design is here to provide you some amazing, high quality, permanent wigs. You can install them permanently actually. As you can see, this is the type that we use to install permanently. We suggest that you follow our size chart, that you measure your client's head and get the perfect size. This is going to be a lot more comfortable and it can actually cling to your client's head, especially if she does have hair loss. Just because our heads kind of naturally sweat, they cling with no glue and no tape. You can actually use glue and tape if you just want to super properly adhere it, but if you get the perfect size, it'll just hold on just like a glove, super tight. So the difference between our hair and everybody else's hair is you can get it in Russian hair as well as Mongolian. We usually carry stock between 14 and 16 inches. We do have some longer stock. As for these type, this is actually a different type of wig that I'm wearing right now. As you can see, it looks super natural and gorgeous. Wigs are the new extensions, which is awesome. As you can see, a lot of people on Instagram, see, it has these little clips here. So it fastens on really well. You can actually clip them and fasten them even tighter. But I wanted to show you guys, these are the ones that we have in stock up to 22 inches, 18 inches. These are super comfortable as well. I actually think these are just as comfortable as these permanent pieces that have the latex inside. You just have to get the right size. You can see this has some combs that help you super fasten. Since I have a darker root right now, it's easier to wear wigs with a darker root, of course. So it just depends on the natural hair color you have. So as you can see, I can kind of even show off some of my natural baby hairs right here if you get them in the same color. So if you're looking to do a blonde wig, something like this color, I would suggest making sure your baby hairs up here are the same color. Either that or you can wear a wig cap. I really love the look of dark root, whether it's ombre like this in 22 inches or, so this is with a kind of lighter root, which I think it is really important to at least have a little bit of a root when it comes to wigs, toppers, hair pieces. This is an example of a slightly darker level 7 root with the 6-613. 613 is really a huge trend, as well as 6DC. You can actually tone these with purple shampoo, as I've shown, to be more of a 60 versus a 613. This is an example of more of a golden tone right here that I have on this ombre wig. So anything more like 20 to 22 inches is going to be a custom order in these permanent systems, these wigs for permanent wear. You can wear these for permanent wear as well, but they do have a little bit more of a track to them. I can overnight these in 18 to 22 inches, which that really is the high fashion right now style. So we also can add between 22 and 26 extensions custom to your pieces. If you have a permanent piece like this, we can actually add a track underneath here, same that we would with extensions, which is super awesome. So these come in extra small, medium, large. So we just have to get your size. Just ask us. I can text you the size chart. We also have it on our website as well. Super excited on Mane of a Goddess luxury hair that we are starting to sell full custom hair pieces, wigs, and more. As you can see, they can be cut into a bob. This is an example of more of a Remy quality versus the high quality cuticle intact Mongolian hair. How cute. I just wanted to show you guys all the different styles. So the cool thing right now is to really change up your style. As you can see, a ton of models on Instagram, YouTube are buying these very high quality wigs. They're so much better than the synthetic for the Remy. We do sell, so this is an example of a Remy wig that we sell for, I would say $750 for the shorter ones, $950 for longer. We can order them in up to 26 inches, which is awesome. And see, it has little clips in the back. And you can tighten them, just like a bra strap. Just like the halos. These can be glued to your head if you cut them. But right now, I just kind of like to fold them under because I have these for sale. Ever since I've stopped doing extensions recently, I've literally been obsessed with wigs. Because you can change your hair color, as you can see, and look absolutely classy and fabulous. And you don't have to deal with investing in a whole bunch of different types of extensions and having them installed, which is great. It's all about versatility these days, I think, and having different looks for different events. So you can see a lot of artists in music videos, that's actually what they're doing. If you notice, Lady Gaga has like 5 different looks in a music video. Nicki Minaj has 26-inch wigs, which we can customize these. I would suggest maybe getting a 16-inch wig overnighted and texting me at 720-987-5607 and just getting me to customize a wig with the extensions that I have in stock. I do have eye-tips as well as wefts in 26 inches, 24 inches. So I can actually customize a wig for you for an upgraded price. Right now I'm charging $950 for an upgrade of 22 to 26 inches added. I would suggest wefts because I think wefts are a lot better to add and a lot easier. But we can also do eye tips as well. Just text me to ask the stock and what I can overnight. I'm actually overnighting to these 2 Texas real estate gals about $1,000 worth of extensions so they can get them installed in their area, which is a really awesome thing. I try to provide high quality cuticle intact Russian hair today, next day basically, or you can come into the boutique and buy the hair today for your clients, friends, whatever. Talk to you soon.